to another video from Rhea TV talk show. How on a day? In case today na your first time you just dey come across this video, make you not forget to press that subscription button, and also make you remember to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop any video you go dey notified. Make you not forget to like and share, and make you not also forget to drop your comment. Yes, so my people, onto the ogbonge matter when really carry me on this video. Though I don't the reason how I go take throw a little bit light concerning this matter when we say people do always they talk about Germany, life in Germany. Yeah, many people they generalize Germany, this one, women there, single mother, this one, that one. Make I tell you one thing, for this Europe as a whole, Germany is the most organized working government in the Europe as a whole. And Germany, they full of a lot of opportunities, a lot of chances, if only you dey patient to follow their things step by step. You see, the problem when I say for this thing be saying many of us, once we just newly enter this country, the camp where we stay now, there many people problem they start from, because that camp now a so negative news, negative story now you they hear about. So if you not be person when we say you get words of your mouth, you be person when, if you not be person when they stand for your word, if you not be person when we say you know what you want for your life, you go end up falling a victim, you know. So waiting people, and again there is something when we say it is very very common for this Germany among we the black communities. So if you they come new, or if you be new person, you have to be careful. Take your time. Make you not too day in a hurry. Not let negative news put fear for your body. I know say if person never get in tissue paper, it not easy. You go they get sleepless night, you go they think, you go they worried, you go they anxious, but you still need to try as much as you can to organize yourself and to be a little bit, just a little bit patient, so that you go know the system and you go know how you go take the do your own thing, so that you not go fall victim and among the category of these people when they always they say a single mother, they're not good single mother for Germany. So the truth of the matter be saying, if you be man and you want make your woman come this country, my brother, I no advise you make you send only the woman come. Follow and come. Even though so na not stay the same camp, but make sure so na to come out the same time to avoid future calamity. Because whereby you send only the woman come, it dey a little bit dangerous. I know say na better plan you be get for you and her and for the children, but not be all women they feel say no. Not be all women they feel stand with their word. Some women they are easily carried away with stories. Some women are easily deceived. You understand? So I will advise you, if you want send your woman come, make sure say una come together. If you not get money, get patient until you get money or borrow money from somebody, but make sure say una two come the same time, not send them alone. Because most people when we say then they end up with this bad story, say maybe the woman fuck them up or the woman pursue them. Now people when we say that they first send the woman come, now camp nine those problems till they start. And the men when we say the black men most especially when we say they don't pay for this grant, they like people when newly come, they like to they deceive people. Not be say they won't take them serious, so they like some self as you just come new, they go they snap their passport, they send for you. I be German, I be German, I be this, I can take you away from the camp, I can bring you to my house, I can do this for you. Women be careful of men who they always they use the word I'm a German, I'm a German, I can do this, I can do that. Real men don't talk too much. Real men don't make promises without action. Any real man, if he make promise, he go back him up with action. So be careful. Don't be carried away, because those people, they will do nothing for you. And you will be surprised, say at the end of the day, they don't give woman belle for all corner, or then get wife for house, or they get wife for another city. Because of the system of this country, Germany, most people, they go get woman when born pikin for them for another city, then go dey another city, and they go fit use and they deceive you, say they never marry, they dey single. So make you dey careful, not too dey in a hurry. Even if you wan pursue your tissue paper, just first of all calm yourself down, relax, so that you go fit know a little bit about the country. Because na the first, second year and third year na im people dey mostly dey fall victim. If you can hold yourself for 1 year and be patient, 2 years, 3 years, before then you don't already know how to go about your things. So don't be in a hurry, be patient, because there is nothing like the father of your children having access to to his children. There is nothing like bringing up your kids with both of you knowledge. There is nothing like that. You can never compare those children. So if you come here, come they change your mind, come they forget person when be say e comot sand for your eye, you go still suffer am. Their work for here na just to dey chook here, chook up and down, they deceive people up and down. And again, most of these women where you dey see, so dem fall victim. Not be all of them be bad o. All of them, dem fall victim. They meet a man when deceive them, promise them heaven and earth. Why some, they just hear the story, hey, if you dey alone, you go get money. Oh, they just they carried away. Maybe where they come from, they never see house. Because one good thing about Germany, they give everybody house. Whether you get pikin, you not get pikin, they go give everybody house. So most people never get that opportunity to stay an apartment alone, a big apartment alone. Most people not live that kind of life, say for Africa, not to talk of Europe here, for other country when they stay. So most people, they carried away. That thing they made and they misbehave. That is why I will encourage any man, if you want push your woman, come with and find money. Come with her, not send am alone, so that as she dey fight for her life, you too go dey fight for your life. So in case of future calamity, you not go too feel am. You will not say at least you don't already enter the system and God fit do am for you. So my advice to anybody when they come new, be careful with the stories you hear inside camp, because now camp be the major problem. Now the social house now be the major problem, where you they hear negative stories, they a lot of information, fake information. Be careful. So what you need to do as somebody when we say you just newly come this country, or you won't come this country, just to the praise God, make them take you to a good city when we say go favor you. And you also dey pray, say God, I beg connect me to people when we say they go add and multiply to my life, whether no Igbo, whether na black, or whether na yellow. God connect me to better people. Just dey pray am, dey meditate am, and be a little bit patient. Don't be in a hurry. Don't be in a hurry. No copy people when not they live better life. No copy them. No copy them. Even though say then say if you dey single, if you be single mother, now you go get money, but no copy them. No copy them, because most women here, they train their future enemy. Most especially those when we say them get boys. Last when the boy go grow, understand wetin dey happen, he go hate you. And there are people when we say not be their fault. The man when they meet use them, he deceive them, and he disappear. So that is why as a young person or somebody when they plan to come, you need to be very careful. At least a lot of story don't fool everywhere, a lot of lessons. When we say you go look around people when they live around you, you see wetin they suffer, try to learn from it. Make you try, make you not be say wetin happen to them go happen to you. And even if you don't quick you born, be careful. Try make you not make that mistake pass once. Because any mistake when pass one, you not be mistake again. No, now your cause. And one thing about this thing be saying, everybody they always dey accuse the woman, say na the woman no good, woman na bad. Na lie. E get some good women. Most good women na dem fall victim pass o. Good women na dem no dey get luck pass o. E just take grace of God, and it takes them a longer time to meet their future husbands. So that is why sometimes if you dey judge this way, you go also look am this way. If you come in contact with many of these women, you see their good heart. So now the story when I say man control, if you be man, you won't send your woman come. I'm not talking about people when we say they don't already dey here, and they talk about people when we say in case you they come tomorrow, not send your woman alone, come with them, fight for your own self also, make sure you enter the system. And in case you be woman when newly they come, so be careful. Run from all those men when they say they be German, when they promise you heaven and earth, they go deceive you. Many people get woman for another city, they go deceive you. Here you fit get woman, you fit get children, una not go live together. So be careful. If you come, take your time, know the system and know how you go live your life. Don't be in a hurry. Forget the negative news where you dey hear about, then carry this one go house, then do that one like that, then do this one like that. Block your ear, keep quiet first and be prayerful. And you go see say God go direct you to the right people. Always say, God, direct me to the right people. People that will add and multiply to my life, be it black, be it white. That one make it be your prayer as person when they come new. So now the story when I say man, I can't tell una be this, because me I don't see person when be say 28 years ago na Aduru then take get paper. Many people they feel say Aduru you not fit get paper. It don't dey. People think say na nice stand. Na lie. It don't dey a long time. It's just that our people not know much about it. Our people they always they want the fast one. Our people only believe the story of only say you get pikin or you marry. But there are still other ways right from time, not be today start. So make una try, take am easy and pray. Make them carry you go better camp, make them carry you go better city, and make you meet better people. Now from there, you take they get information how you go about your life. So abeg, make una take am easy. Run away from any man or any woman when you go meet, you go use wetin him get put for front. I get house, I get paper, I be German. Run for those kind of people. They will use you and dump you. Be it a man, be it a woman. They not go fit do anything from you. So run from them. If you be person when they come new, run. No, anybody when carry wetin him get put front, he not go do anything for you, because real person doesn't talk too much. Real person not go talk about himself, he not go talk about herself, he not go talk her real status until you don't know yourself. Then you go come they see him or they see him, say so now so this person be. So run and be careful. Get the word of your own self. Know your worth. If you really want a good future for yourself and for your children, you have to be patient. And also you don't listen to anybody when we say they don't choose, them prefer to be single mother because of the benefits. At least a lot of things don't they happen now. You see them now. Learn from people's mistake and try not to imitate bad things. Emulate good things. So in case you come across this video, may you not forget to share them and like them. And also if you never subscribe, may you try subscribe and make you remember to turn the notification bell. Una bye bye. See you now for my next video.